Hi guys, welcome back. Alithabel here. Today I'm gonna show you how to poach an egg in the microwave.
I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say I always die.
You guys, this is very easy. You can even do it while your eyes are closed. Just kidding, don't do that. You'll burn yourself. All you need is half a cup of cold water, a bowl, and an egg. Just put the cold water in the bowl and crack the egg open.
And leave the flame behind. And I can dig without you. We made the plan.
Then put it on the microwave for 45 seconds. Actually, it depends on you. If you want it not too runny, you can put it on for 50 seconds or 55 seconds. It depends on you. Then season it according to your preference. I actually put too much garlic powder, but this was delicious and it was perfectly poached. Just look at that, it's perfect. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, God bless.
I never saw it right.